من سلك طريقا يلتمس فيه علما سهل الله له به طريقا إلى الجنة. رواه مسلم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Manal.
And I am Sara. Welcome to our YouTube channel
Kids Noor TV.
On this channel, we are not going to talk on one topic, but think and talk on various topics.
Nowadays, kids in different places are facing problems like bullying, mocking, ragging, etc. So seeing them, we thought of bringing for you an amazing channel. Therefore, this platform is to share knowledge with each other. This stage is for every kid in the world so that we can bring a change together. You can make short and informative videos and send us on this number.
Please subscribe and like our videos and share them that more people get connected to us.
Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.